In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Telegram polls. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, engaging poll and publish it with the right settings for your audience. First, open Telegram. You can use the mobile app, desktop app, or the web version, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in and everything's loaded because we're heading straight into the chat where you want the poll to appear. Next, go to the specific group or channel where you want to post. Polls are designed for shared spaces, so they work in group chats and channels. Keep in mind that channels typically allow only admins to post, so you'll need the right permissions there. It's important to know that polls can't be created in standard one-on-one private chats. If you want to poll a single person, consider moving the conversation to a group or channel where polling is supported. Now, in the chat bar, tap the paperclip icon. On some versions of iOS, you might see a plus icon instead. This opens the attachment or tool menu, where Telegram keeps extra features. From that menu, choose Poll. This opens the poll editor, where you'll add your question, options, and configure how voting should work. Start by typing your main question into the poll question field. Keep it short and clear so people understand it at a glance. If you're comparing choices, make the wording neutral and avoid combining multiple questions into one. Below the question, fill in the answer options. Add at least two, and keep each option concise and parallel in style. You can usually include emojis for clarity, and you can reorder options before publishing if you change your mind. Aim for distinct choices so voters don't have to guess what each option means. Before you publish, review the voting rules. Telegram lets you customize how people vote. You can make votes anonymous if you want privacy, allow multiple answers when more than one choice might fit, or use quiz mode if there's a single correct answer. In quiz mode, you can mark the correct choice and optionally add an explanation or timer to reveal results more interactively. Pick the settings that match your goal: open-ended feedback, a quick preference check, or a knowledge quiz. When everything looks good, tap Create or send in the top right corner to post your poll immediately. Your audience can start voting at once and results update in real time. That's it. Your Telegram poll is live and ready for responses.